Hi all, welcome to another quick video. This video is especially for viewers who have trouble updating your Zebronics software file that has been sent to you, and I will just show you the process once again. I'll make it quick. So to start with, you need a FAT32 format pen drive. Make sure you have one or two with you, and you also format it into FAT32. If you have a normal pen drive which is at NTFS or exFAT, change it to FAT32, and all you have to do is you have to extract the folder like what I'm doing right now. You'll have to extract it, and once it is extracted you will see this specific file. It's spupdate.bin. Copy and paste it outside and delete the extracted folder, the original extracted folder. Just delete it. You only need the update file in the pen drive, and once you have it, you put it onto your soundbar. In my case, what I've already put it in, so I'll just go ahead and turn on. And what you have to keep in mind is you need to be in aux. Once you are in aux, just recheck the version, right, left, and OK. It shows version, which is version 90. If you just keep pressing the menu button for 3 seconds, you will land up in menu. Now you are in menu, and you actually can go right to see the version details and another right to see the upgrade details. So what this actually does is you'll be able to directly upgrade from this specific interface. What you have to do is you go up, you will see main upgrade, and you go up again. There are Bluetooth upgrade and MCU upgrade. All these are different options which we don't actually have hands-on with. What you have to do is, this is easier for you to understand what version you're on. You go back, you see version, you see main version is 19 my soundbar. Similarly, go up again, Bluetooth version is 47. You go up again, you see MCU version is 135. So this clears a lot of viewers' doubt. This is how you will be able to see all the updates that is there. And to go back to how you update it, you have to go back to, let's go to input. I am in aux. What I do is I double click left, double click right, and click OK. See, as you see, it's going from 0, it will go all the way up to 100, and my soundbar will automatically restart. And if this is not happening for you, try with a different pen drive. That might be one way to solve it. But if it is not working, or if it is getting stuck at 100, something else might be the issue. In my case, it is already in version 90, so I don't think it will update again. If you have a version below 90, you will be able to upgrade, and once this 100 is done, it will restart and you will be on the latest version. So I've just restarted, and it still shows 90. I wanted to give a heads up, if it is not updating, no matter what you do, you can click on your volume up and down button. You hold them both on simultaneously for 10 seconds and your soundbar will factory reset to its default. Try this method only if none of the other methods are working, and I would recommend against it, because if the subwoofer or satellite speakers don't pair, you will end up in problems and you will need an on-site support from the Zebronics technician team to help you out with it. So do it as a last resort, or just skip and wait patiently for another update. But hopefully the methods I've showed will work out for you. And if you still have any issues or queries, feel free to go ahead and comment, and I'll be able to help you however I can. That being said, I will see you guys in another video.